I paid $200 to go on an all-inclusive camping trip in the Sahara Desert for 3 days. First day we spent shopping, learning about Moroccan culture, food. We even went to the place where they shot Gladiators and Game of Thrones. Then we stayed at this super nice hotel with these beautiful views at the end of day one. And day two we headed into the Atlas Mountains and we learned about the history and their culture and language and places that they actually lived. And along the way, we made pit stops for photos, food, and tons of mint tea. This area of the Sahara is called the Mazuga Sand Dunes. And once you get acquainted with your camel, it's time to hop on and head into the desert to the campsite. After about 1.5 hours, we made it to the campsite. And before we got settled in, we decided to do a little bit of sandboarding, which is also included in the tour as well. This is really where it gets super nice. The camping tents are absolutely amazing. They have electricity, they have lights, they have plumbing. You even get hot water. And all the dinners are included, which are pretty much family style. And then first thing in the morning at around 5 a.m., we hop back on the camels and headed back to our starting point. And honestly, this is arguably the best sunrise I've ever seen in my life. But yeah, all of this was only $200 and I still haven't even included every single detail in every place that we